Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to send an email using your Hotmail or Outlook account. It's super simple once you see the steps. So yeah, let's jump in. First, go ahead and sign in with your email address and password. If you're still using a Hotmail address, that's totally fine. It works the same in Outlook. Once you're inside your inbox, look in the top left corner and click on the button that says New Mail. That opens up a fresh message window on the right side. Now in the To field, type the email address of the person you want to send the message to. If you need to send it to multiple people, you can add more addresses by separating them. Just keep typing them one by one. Under that, add a subject. Keep it short and clear. Something like meeting update or invoice for this week. A good subject helps the recipient understand what your email is about before they even open it. All right, now type your actual message in the big writing area. You can format your text, add bullet points, bold, underline, whatever you need. Outlook's editor is pretty flexible, you know. If you need to attach a file, click the little paperclip icon. You can upload photos, documents, PDFs, pretty much anything. Just remember, larger attachments may take a moment to upload, so don't worry if it spins for a second, and once everything looks good, hit the send button in the bottom right. And that's it. Your email goes out instantly. So yeah, that's how you send an email using your Hotmail or Outlook account. Pretty straightforward once you walk through it. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy guides.